everybody. Welcome address by Mr. G. Chandra Mohan, Vice President, ABK EOTS Dosakai.
Assembled friends, again good morning to all of you. I am standing before you for the second time for the same welcome address. I have great pleasure and honor in welcoming all of you. To be specific, Furukawa-san, who is the consul from Consulate General of Japan in Chennai. Madam, welcome for releasing the book today. Next is Chitra, who has taken adequate steps and pains to release this book, Tamil through Japanese pictures. Welcome, Chitra. I have pleasure in inviting Yasunari Hirasaka-san, who is the Managing Director of Mayakawa India Private Limited, Chennai. He is going to receive the first copy of the book to be released today. I have great pleasure in welcoming our own chairman and his wife, Ms. Emma Veganathan and Pranda Veganathan, who are here with us. I invite our other members, invited guests and other persons from media and press. I invite you one and all.
Thank you, Mr. Chandra Mohan. Now, not landing. Now, I request Mrs. Chitra Sivakumar to go and Mrs. Furukawa. Thank you. Now, I request Mr. Chandra Mohan to go and Mr. Hirasato. Thank you very much. Now I request Mr. Chitra Sivakumar to talk about her great work on Tamil through Japanese dictionary. Mr. Chitra Sivakumar.
Ohayo gozaimasu. Good morning, everyone. Not much only I'm going to speak Japanese. Okay, so all other things will be in English. Actually, I'll just start with my Japan experience. My childhood dream came true with the help of Ms. Babai, my lecturer in Meenakshi College for Women, and Mr. M.R. Ranganathan, chairman of AOTS Alumni. When they introduced the language to me, I had a lot of interest to learn, as I aspired to go to Japan, even in my younger childhood, to undergo training over there. The language learning helped me to take up 1-year training in Shigeru Sogo Systems, Osaka in 1995. I was lucky to see all 4 seasons of Japan and all cultural events all through the year, and even I had a chance to go for EPEC events, which was held during that time. This day also helped me to write a book on Japan, Viyakka Japan, published by Palaniappa Brothers. I thank the publishers for giving me a chance to publish that book. I would like to recall the incident that triggered me to work on this book. I had a friend who was a yoga master in Hong Kong. I am living in Hong Kong for past 15 years, so I had a lot of Japanese friends coming from Japan to Hong Kong actually. So he planned to marry a Japanese girl. That girl, when visited India, found that it would be necessary to learn Tamil to communicate with all her relatives here. So she searched for a Japanese book that teaches Tamil. She got a book which is 200 pages, published in Japan many years before, but found that it was not helping her that much. Then she asked me to introduce some teacher who can teach Tamil through Japanese. I asked her to contact AOTS Alumni, and later she was able to learn Tamil to a certain extent. When she told me that she doesn't have any proper book in Japanese to learn Tamil, I started to think about it. First, I had the idea to come up with a very small booklet of just 14 pages, and I happened to meet Shalini, who lived in Japan and moved to Hong Kong, and she was doing her masters in Japanese at that time. She was ready to help me to work on this task, and we made up that 14 pages booklet. Then when I approached the publishers, it was not accepted at all because it's too small. One day I happened to see a Pictionary that teaches Hindi to Tamil. Then I improved this same booklet by adding some pictures which will allow the readers to see what they are going to talk about. So here we have to release my 10th book, Japan Mori Vadi Tamil. This book consists of totally 285 words under 18 topics. It's a small warm-up book for our full-fledged Tamil teaching book in Japanese, which we are planning to come up with around more than 200 pages. I hope this will help us to go further. We have just chosen some very common words, most of them used daily. The book needs a lot of improvement, we know. Suggestions are always welcome. Whoever is reading the book, you please give us the suggestions so that it will help us to improve our next book. And I'd like to mention what this book is not. It's not a self-learning book because our pronunciations are very different. They cannot learn it by themselves. It doesn't give exact variation of sound. It's not a dictionary to give all common words. Someone has to teach the proper pronunciation. For im sound, param, singam, im sound, we have just used a letter mu because they don't have the letter for im. If someone guides, it will be easy to follow all other words that has the same sound. We have given the nearest sound to the Tamil sounds for 3 types of l, r, and 2 types of r and r, and 3 types of n. So we have some difficulty in all those things. The sounds differ. We have chosen letters accordingly. Given considering the limitations of vast differences in the letter system and pronunciation of the 2 languages, we have attempted to provide the nearest possible pronunciation. The words in katakana are an approximation of the original sounds in Tamil, and for the exact pronunciation, the students or users are advised to refer to the letters in Tamil or any other Tamil friends. I take this opportunity to thank all those who are supporting in doing this task. First and foremost is Mrs. Shalini, who readily accepted to be the co-author and supported all through the project. Her masters in Japanese language helped us a lot in making this book. Secondly, Mr. M.R. Ranganathan, because of whom I am standing before all of you, starting from my training period 15 years ago and accepting to publish this small effort of ours. Thirdly, Dr. R. Lakshmipati of Dinamalar, who introduced the efficient printer, Mr. Ramanathan of Sri Vinayaga's prints, and extended full encouragement in achieving it and also publishing the news about this event in Dinamalar. I thank all the AOTS members who organized this wonderful event with Mrs. Kayoko Furukawa, Consulate General of Japan at Chennai, presiding over and releasing the book, and Mr. Yasunori Hirasako, Managing Director, Mayakawa India Private Limited, Chennai, receiving the first copy of the book. And my thanks goes to all of you who, with your presence today, gave me immense pleasure, which will allow me to put my next step in this path of making our next book. Thanks, one and all.
Now I request Furukawa-san to preside over and release that first copy of the book. Come closer.
Up closer, sir. Come, sit down.
Sir, come closer, sir.
Okay. One sec. Just hold a bit more.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much for coming.
Now I request Mr. M.R. Ranganathan, Chairman, ABK AOTS Dosarghat Tamil Nadu Center, to deliver the vote of thanks.
a small gift from us. Once again, dear friends, good morning. Good morning, Chacho, good morning. And, to all of you who are here, I would like to thank at the very outset both Guru-san and the Managing Director of Mayakawa India to be here this morning in spite of very busy schedules. And thank you all very much for coming to releasing the book. Second, this book release has reached many people, will reach many people, only because of the press and the media. I would like to place on my sincere records to both press and media for their kind support to get the information across to many more people. Third, Chitra has been working on this idea of writing this book for quite some time. We have been sending back and forth a lot of information, and finally the book has come. Already Chitra has written one book which has also we were involved, Viyathalu Japan in Tamil. Maybe Tanaka-san, you can read Tamil? Mala? Okay, you have been here for long, so I thought you can read that book. So this book has also been brought out. So we hope, because as you know, ABK with Josephi, we have been involved with the bringing out books. One set was the 5 years books that we brought out for the industries. And then we also brought out posters for the industries. And this week is going to be a busy week for not only us, for all the students who are studying Japanese, because end of this week they are all going to write the JLPT examination. I would like to say on behalf of everybody to those students, Gambate Kudasai. And my special thanks to Mr. Chellappan. Can you stand, sir? He is the publisher of this book. Thank you very much, sir. So you have done a great job. Thank you very much. And I would like to thank each and every one of you who is present here this morning to make this function a success. Thank you all very much.
ஜப்பானிய கலைப்பொருள்கள் கண்காட்சி சென்னை அமைந்தகரையில் உள்ள ஜப்பான் கலாச்சார மையத்தில் இன்று தொடங்கி வைக்கப்பட்டது. கையினால் செய்யப்பட்ட அலங்கார பூக்கள், அணிகலன்கள், பொம்மைகள் போன்றவை கண்காட்சியில் இடம்பெற்றுள்ளன. இந்த கண்காட்சியை சென்னையில் உள்ள ஜப்பான் தூதரக அதிகாரி கயோகா புருகவா துவக்கி வைத்தார். வரும் 26ஆம் தேதி வரை கண்காட்சியை பார்வையிடலாம் என அதன் அமைப்பாளர்கள் தெரிவித்துள்ளனர். கண்காட்சியை ஒட்டி ஜப்பானிய மொழி படங்களுடன் உருவாக்கப்பட்ட தமிழ் நூல் ஒன்றும் வெளியிடப்பட்டது.